Hey little stars, ready to make your mood super happy today? In this quick yoga, we'll smile, stretch, and fill our hearts with positive energy. Take a deep breath, and let's begin our happy mood yoga. Great job! Now let's wake up our happy muscles. Lift your arms slowly. Give yourself a big, happy stretch. Feel that warm, smiley feeling inside you? That's your happy energy turning on. Now, let's spread happiness all around. Move your body gently side to side. Imagine you're painting the air with bright colors. Keep smiling. Your mood is getting brighter and brighter. Amazing! You just completed Happy Mood Yoga. Feel how light and joyful your body feels? Whenever you want to boost your mood, come back and do this again. Stay happy, little yogi. See you tomorrow.